Hey there, space explorers. Today we're visiting the mysterious and fiery planet Venus, the second planet from the Sun and often called Earth's twin. But don't let that nickname fool you. Venus is a place of extreme heat, crushing pressure, and acid rain. What makes this planet so wild? Let's dive in and find out. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, even though Mercury is closer to the Sun. Why? Because Venus has a thick atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide. This traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect, making surface temperatures reach a scorching 475 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. Imagine standing on a planet where it feels like an oven every single day. Venus's clouds also reflect 75% of sunlight, making it the brightest planet visible from Earth. If you thought that was intense, wait until you hear about Venus's atmosphere. It's 90 times thicker than Earth's, creating immense pressure. Walking on Venus would feel like being 1 kilometer underwater. Oh, and did I mention the acid rain? Clouds of sulfuric acid swirl above the planet. But don't worry, the acid evaporates before it touches the ground. Venus is harsh, but it sure knows how to keep things interesting. Plus, Venus has the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of 360 kilometers per hour, 224 miles per hour. Imagine hurricane-force winds blowing constantly. Here's a head-scratcher: one day on Venus is longer than its year. Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis, but it orbits the Sun in just 225 Earth days. That means if you lived on Venus, your day would last longer than your year. Talk about the ultimate lazy day. Plus, Venus rotates in the opposite direction of most planets, meaning the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. How's that for a cosmic twist? Venus is covered with volcanoes, and some might still be active. The planet's surface is dotted with thousands of them. The tallest, Maxwell Montes, stands at 11 kilometers high, taller than Mount Everest. Venus's surface is constantly reshaped by volcanic eruptions, making it one of the most dynamic planets in our solar system. Scientists believe that over 85% of Venus's surface is made up of volcanic plains. Venus has fascinated humans for centuries. In Roman mythology, Venus was the goddess of love and beauty, and the planet shines the brightest in our sky, often called the evening star or morning star. But don't let its beauty fool you. Beneath those clouds lies one of the most hostile environments in the solar system. Venus is so bright that ancient civilizations thought it was two different stars appearing at dawn and dusk. Exploring Venus isn't easy. Many spacecraft have melted within minutes of landing. But that hasn't stopped us. The Soviet Venera missions were the first to land on Venus, sending back images before their crafts were destroyed. Now, NASA and other space agencies are planning new missions to unlock more of Venus's secrets. One exciting mission, Veritas, will map Venus's surface with high-resolution radar to uncover hidden volcanoes and tectonic activity. Why do we call Venus Earth's twin? They're almost the same size, and both have similar compositions. But while Earth is lush and full of life, Venus is a sizzling inferno. Scientists believe studying Venus could help us understand what happens when a planet's climate runs out of control, a valuable lesson for protecting our own planet. Venus also lacks a magnetic field, which could explain why its atmosphere evolved so differently from Earth's. Venus orbits the Sun at an average distance of 108 million kilometers, 67 million miles. At its closest, Venus comes within 38 million kilometers, 24 million miles, of Earth, making it our closest planetary neighbor. Venus is beautiful, mysterious, and full of surprises. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more space adventures. See you next time as we head to the Earth.